y'all want to view it.
I can see her face in the mirror.
I don't even need it come.
Better than her doing it herself. Fixing to have her birthday party this weekend. So.
There you go.
Wow.
Put all that hair in.
Now what?
Now what? Now what we gonna do?
Look at that big old ponytail, Emily.
I can't see it. Wow, that's huge.
Look. Let's E's hair.
Do you want to? Okay, we want to
Okay.
even it out one lead.
Do you want it a little longer in the front? That's kind of cute the way it is. A little shorter in the back. And longer in the front.
Who's your front? I mean, yeah, the front was gonna. Yeah,
Just
the
the
way
way
it
she
cuts
wants.
with the ponytail.
I think she wanted a little bit of layer right here around her face to kind of bring it in. Will that look okay with that look? Probably not, Emily.
I think if you want to leave it longer in the front, we need to even this out with this and leave it with that angle.
Do you want a little bit of layer around your face though? Do you want it straight across and then a little layer around your face? Like the pictures you picked out?
Yeah, but that was the angle around the face.
Yeah, with the kind of layered in
Okay.
towards her face. I'm sure I can run a book and
I'm just gonna go get it even.
I'm sorry. Let's see.
This hair, Emily, you know what?
It grows
It
back.
grows back.
That's right.
Hers grows quickly. She had picked out something. Not quite that chocolate. It was. Wasn't it kind of like this, Emily, just without the bangs?
Yeah,
Like that with no bangs.
the layer. Do you
A little
want?
bit of layer there.
Okay.
And she wanted a little just into her face.
Okay.
That's the one she
Just a little bit.